Okay, everybody, here's Nvidia TV. I am going to show you how to disarm the Nvidia Shield TV controller. This came in the version from 2017. The new version 2019, you must put the controller apart. So I will show you how to clean it, or if you need to replace something. Well, this is my small contribution to the community of YouTube and everyone else to show you this. Sorry for my English, it's not so fluently. I am a bit nervous because I will try to explain the best I can. Okay, the first of all, I have it disarmed a bit. I recommend you to start from here, right? I am using this tool. You can use a credit card that you don't use, and just lifting it a bit here. Be careful with this part, right? Because it has the back button, the play button, and they are very sensitive, right? And you can start lifting here, and another part you must be careful is this part, right? This doesn't get off from the controller, the green area, but you can start lifting from here and continue from here, right? So I'm going to lift this up, and we turn off the light. That's okay. And we lift up. So as I said, very careful with these ones, right? Okay, I recommend that the controller get down, the front of the controller get down, and very careful, try to take it off. If you can't take it off immediately, I suggest to something very important, please. From this side you will see a plug here, so when you open right there, I recommend it to open like this, right? Because the battery will be plugged here, right there. So when you open like this, right? Very careful, and don't worry, because the controller has the left and right buttons here, and they came out like nothing, because when you use the screw, this is fixed there, right? So this is the battery. If you need to replace the battery, you can take this out easily. I will not show you because, well, my battery is still good. But okay, here we are with the main part. Yes, I am using two screwdrivers with torque 5 and torque 7. I am using these two to open all the control, and well, this is easy. The first thing you have to know is with the T5, I think it's T7, we will take out this part, right? This part. So I will open here. Please don't lose don't lose that. I will put it here. I recommend, as a technician, I repair computers, always put the same screw where you take it out from the device you are fixing or you are cleaning. So when you take these two out, you will see that we have the joypack. Very careful with this small area, right? Very careful, because it's connected with this main board. So in this example, you can take this out, right? Boom, easily. The Xbox controller is like that, and put it here. You can put it here. So I clean it here. I use a brush to extract a little dust, maybe. We will put it here again, there. We just put it there. But the main reason to open this is to maybe clean this or repair this. In my case, the up button was blocked, so I'm going to take this out. It's not so difficult, so let's here. Now, if I remember, you can see the screwdriver here and the other is here, the same as here, and the other is here. So this and this, you will need the torque number 7. So let's do it. We respect the position, and now we use the torque number 5 to screw the little one here. So now you can see we have these two small parts, right? And you must take the board from this part, right? From this place. So I am going to very careful take this out. There. I will not take all this out. You can, if you want, unplug here, right? And you will here. I didn't touch this, right? I didn't want to touch it because it's so fragile. I didn't touch it. But for my case, and maybe yours, I just put this back and I have access to the front of the controller, right? So I can give you a tip. Maybe you can take a photo from here. Where is the Y, the X, the A, and the B? But if you remove here, I will show you. I will very careful. I will remove this, and you see that all the buttons are taken out. As you can see, you can clean it. Maybe here, very careful. And then you put it there again. If you don't know what are the buttons, well, you can see here. I will try, there's an X. Maybe here it say X, here say B. B, here say A. And here it said nothing, but it's the Y, right? So I put it there. Take this out. I will put it here in the X place. This is well designed. I think this is the only place where you can put it. But with respect there, as you can see, there. Oh, sorry, there. We put in the same position, right? And this, we respect this small part, go here. Okay. We push it a little bit, maybe here. Come on. Right there. And this is a bit rebel. Oh man. Okay. This small part of this rubber should be inside the bottom. So when you put it there, you must make that it's there inside. I'm having a small trouble here. Can you see it? I must put this small part there. This part should be inside the bottom. The bottom, not the bottom. The bottom. There you are. There you are. That's it. That's it. Good. Right. Okay. So we take out the buttons, and here we have the cross part. I don't remember the name of the part, sorry. I will take this out, right, in the same position. Respect that. I used here, there's a small letter. I don't know if you can see it. A small letter here, so I put it there. Try to put it in the same position, and if you are brave enough, you can lift with very careful here this part a bit, right? Not so strong, just a bit. This is because when you press so much, this metal things is stay down, right? So when you press, it's a bit difficult to the control to reach out here, right? These are the buttons. So now I lift it out a bit. So when you press, you had something like it can reach this out here. I hope you can understand this part. And if you want to clean the home button, you can take it out too. It's very simple. Just this part. Don't take the rubber, nothing. Just clean that as it. Okay. It's important that all this part is clean. In the best way, try not to put your fingers there. I will clean. Oh, look what happened here. We have small hair here. I will take this out. There you are. Okay. So I use a French person, I don't remember the channel, that teach me very good to disassemble, but I make some improvement, right? Because he used it down, but I prefer to do it in this way. Maybe you will find it there, but it's all in French. So I wanted to make my small collaboration in this English not so fluently, but I'm doing my best. Okay, when you say that this is clean, you clean the buttons, you clean this. Well, we're going back, right? Well, the most difficult thing is, well, we start with this, right? We take this out and we put it in the holes there, right? And there it is. Okay, and we respect the position of the screw. Sorry, I don't remember if in English this is called a screw. This is screwdriver, so I think so. Where I live in Latin America, so I don't speak English so much with the people outside. But I'm doing my best. So we screw it again. From here, maybe you are watching this video in more speed. Don't worry. Try to screw this not so strong, right? Just when you feel that is thick there, just don't make so much force, right? I'm using here the T5 for the small ones here. Right there. And right here. Okay. Oh, this video is taking so long time. Sorry, boys. But I want to do it. Okay, so you screw it not so hard. Strong. It was the word. No, hard, right? Okay, we have this here. We have this here. Triggers are okay. Clean a bit the skip there. And we put this again here very carefully. We put it here. Okay. Maybe we can use here my thumb. Ding. We put this here. Oh, damn. Stay there, please. People are hurry up. Okay. We put it here. And we put it here. I make you a small tip. Fix screw a little here, then a little here, then a little here, and then a little here, right? So because it's very important, because you can see there that there's a contact here that must be here to make it work, this small part of the board, but don't press so hard, right? Just a bit here, then here, then here, and when you feel that it's enough, then finish there. Okay, now you can see everything is working fine. Be careful with this part, be careful with this part. The buttons are okay. I feel it very small better here. Okay, now we connect the power supply from the battery, and there's only one position, so don't make it so strong. The first time you take this out, it's very difficult, very strong, but don't worry, it can came out. Well, we reached to the difficult part for me. I didn't tell you this. If you take this out, right, put it right there. it's a bit complicated sometimes. Right there. We'll put it there. We'll check this out right here. I will put it here. Oh, camera don't fall. Right there. This is a bit complicated part, right? Because it happened this. Oh, damn. I will start like this. There you are. So, do not have problems. We put the control right this way. And we are working right here. There you are. There you are. Come on. Please. This part is a bit tricky. That's it. Did you enter? Yes. Well, we start pushing this down. Okay. Right. I am a bit worried. What happened here? That's it. That's it. Ta-da. Ooh. No, the bottom get out. No. Oh, I must check this out. Where I put it, but be careful because I left the bottom from home outside. So I will try to open it again. Okay, there you are. Okay, and we finish. We check this is put here, there. The controllers are the triggers, the buttons here. Be careful with this part, as I show you. And this is there. So now we just group the drives here, here, and here, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Maybe you watch this video very fast because it's very long, but I want to show you the best way possible. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great job. Thank you, and if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe if you want, of course, and if you don't like it, no problem. We respect your opinion, but we hope that you can have advantage and you can repair or clean if you want, because this controller has 2 years now, your Nvidia Shield controller. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye. Thank you.